The question number 1 of the environmental science subject part was, what is the theoretical maximum fraction of power in the wind that can be extracted by a horizontal axis wind turbine? So the correct answer is option number 2, 59%. Next, question number 2. The question number 2 was based on assertion and reason. Assertion was, there is a general pattern of increase in biodiversity from equator to poles. The reason given was, due to high level of energy received in tropics, higher is the net primary production, which in turn supports large number of individuals, leading to high biodiversity. So the correct answer is option number 4. A is false, R is true. Next, question number 3. In comparison to its adjoining ecosystems, the biodiversity in the ecotone is. The correct answer is option number 2, higher. Next, question number 4. The ethical view, which argues that any resource of nature is meant for human use consumption, is termed as. The correct answer is option number 2, utilitarian. Next, question number 5. Which among the following is the correct sequence of the elements in Earth's crust in decreasing order? So the correct answer is option number 4. Next, question number 6. The ability of an ecosystem to recover when the system has been disturbed by any perturbation is known as. So the correct answer is option number 4, resilience. Next, question number 7. The question number 7 was based on match the column, and the correct answer is option number 4. Next, question number 8. Which of the following statements is incorrect? So the correct answer is option number 3. Lowest temperature is found at tropopause. Next, question number 9. Which one among the following is not a type of tidal power plant? So the correct answer is option number 2. Single basin with linked operation. Next, question number 10. The bioremediation technology, which involves the addition of microbial culture, is known as. So the correct answer is option number 2, bioaugmentation. Next, question number 11. The question number 11 was based on match the column. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Next, question number 12. This was also based on match the column. So the correct answer is option number 4. Next, question number 13. Mean marks of 200 students in statistics are 47. The mean marks of top 25 students are 72 and that of bottom 25% students are 25. Which of the following are the mean marks of the remaining students? So the correct answer is option number 3, 45.5. Next, question number 14. Assuming the incoming solar radiation to be 100 units, consider the following statements about the radiation budget of Earth. And based on this, which of the above statements are correct? So the correct answer is option number 3. Statement A and C are correct. Next, question number 15. Consider the following statements regarding sampling. Which of the following statements are correct? So the statement A and C are the correct statements. So the correct answer is option number 2. Next, question number 16. Consider the following statements regarding Poisson distribution. So based on these statements given, which of the following statements are correct? So the correct answer is option number 2. Statement B and C are correct. Next, question number 17. The question number 17 is based on match the column. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Next, question number 18. In an objective type examination, there are 100 questions. 1 mark is awarded for each correct answer and 0.125 marks are deducted for each incorrect answer. The number of marks scored by the students in this examination is an example of which of the following type of variables? So the correct answer to this question is option number 1, discrete. Next, question number 19. Assertion A is given as isostasy is the corresponding state of balance between extensive blocks of Earth's crust which rise to different levels and appear at the surface as mountains, plateaus, plains or ocean floors. Reason R is given as there is a certain minimum depth below sea level where the pressure due to the weight of overlying material in each unit column is everywhere the same. So the correct answer is option number 2. Both assertion and reason statements are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Next, question number 20. It is based on match the column. So the correct answer is option number 2. Next, question number 21. The probability density function of a continuous random variable x is given by fx. Which of the following would be the probability that x lies between 1 and 2? None of the option is correct for this question. Next, question number 22. Assertion is given as Himalayan states of India have greater hydropower potential. Reason R is given as hills provide an altitudinal gradient for the construction of dams. So the correct answer is option number 1. Next, question number 23. Solar insolation on a rectangular module which is having the dimension of 1.5 meter by 2 meter of photovoltaic cells is 550 watt per meter square. If the efficiency of the cells is 12%, what is the power output of the module? So the correct answer is option number 4, 198 watt. Next, question number 24. Polar stratospheric clouds facilitate which of the following reactions in the development of ozone hole? So the correct answer is option number 2 and also option number 4. Next, question number 25. Sound emitted from a line source attenuates at which of the following rates as a result of geometrical spreading? So the correct answer is option number 1, 3 decibel per doubling of distance from source. Next, question number 26. Which of the following chemical organic species is R insoluble in acid or alkali? So the correct answer is option number 3, humin. Next, question number 27. Which among the following are considered as ecosystem services provided by forest ecosystems? A is resins and gums, B is pollination by insects, C is climate regulation, D timber. B and C are correct. Next, question number 28. Which one of the following is the important hotspots of biodiversity in India? So the correct answer is option number 3, Western Ghats. Next, question number 29. Identify the correct sequence of the components of producer gas from biogasification of coal in decreasing order of their concentrations. So the correct answer is option number 3. Next, question number 30. Assertion A is given as most of the world's geothermal sites are located in the circum-Pacific belt known as Rim of Fire. Reason R is given as geothermal fields require combination of 3 geological conditions: a natural underground source of water, an impermeable rock that traps water and allows formation of steam, and a large mass of hot rock in the vicinity of water system. In the light of above statements, choose the correct option. So the correct answer is option number 2. Assertion and reason both are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Next, question number 31. Which one among the following is true in the context of enthalpy, internal energy, pressure and volume of a thermodynamic system? So the correct answer is option number 2. Next, question number 32. In fast breeder nuclear reactor power plants, the ratio of fissile material produced to fissile material consumed is, the correct answer is option number 4, greater than 1. Next, question number 33. Consider the following wavelengths. Water vapors absorb strongly at which of the above wavelengths? So the correct answer is option number 4. All the statements are correct. Next, question number 34. What is the total power per unit area available in a wind stream blowing at a speed of 5 meter per second? So the correct answer is option number 1, 76.6 watt per meter square. Next, question number 35. In case of which of the following fossil fuels, the difference between the gross calorific value and net calorific value is maximum? So the correct answer is option number 1, natural gas. Next, question number 36. Which of the following are the characteristics of direct band gap semiconductor gallium arsenide? So the correct answer is option number 2, B only. Next, question number 37. Assertion A is in soil, chromium 3 pre-chromium 6. Reason R, chromium 6 is easily reduced to chromium 3 by organic matter in soil. In the light of above two statements, choose the correct option. So both assertion and reason are true, and also R is the correct explanation of A. Next, question number 38. Consider the following statements regarding water treatment. Which of the above statements are correct? So the correct answer is option number 3. Statement number A and C are correct. Next, question number 39. The nighttime tropospheric chemistry is dominated by which of the following chemical species? So the correct answer is option number 2, nitrate radicals. Next, question number 40. Which is the most significant fingerprint of climate change with respect to biotic invasion? So the correct answer is option number 2, mosquitoes. Next, question number 41. Which is the first company in India whose project was approved under the Clean Development Mechanism of Kyoto Protocol? So the correct answer is option number 1, Gujarat Fluorochemicals Limited. Next, question number 42. Which among the following is the correct order of stratification in lentic ecosystems from top to bottom? So the correct answer is option number 1. Next, question number 43. In ecological sampling, importance value index refers to sum of which of the following? So the correct answer is option number 4, statement A, B and D. Next, question number 44. Which one among the following is not a form of precipitation? So the correct answer is option number 4, fog. Next, question number 45. Assertion A is given as the increase in seawater acidity makes building and maintaining shells and other calcium carbonate structures difficult for calcifying organisms such as oyster and water corals. Reason R is given as increase in seawater acidity cause a decrease in bicarbonate ion concentration. So the correct answer is option number 3. Only A is correct, R is false. Next, question number 46. Which of the following surfaces exhibits maximum variation in albedo with respect to the angle of incidence of solar radiations? So the correct answer is option number 1, water. Next, question number 47. Which of the following greenhouse gases has contributed the most to the global warming? So the correct answer is option number 2, carbon dioxide. Next, question number 48. If x and y are two variables that are not independent, then which of the following represents the variance ax plus by of their linear combination where a and b are constants? So the correct answer is option number 3. Next, question number 49. Assertion A is given as between organophosphorus pesticides, malathion and parathioin, the former is more toxic than latter. Reason R is given as malathion is hydrolyzed by enzymes possessed by mammals to produce relatively non-toxic products. So the correct answer is option number 4. A is false, R is true. Next, question number 50. Statement 1 is given as objects at higher temperature emit higher amount of electromagnetic radiations. Statement 2. Objects with higher temperatures reach their maximum emissive intensity at longer wavelengths. Which of the above statements are correct? So the correct answer is option number 2, 1 only. Next, question number 51. According to Biomedical Waste Management Rules 2016 of the Government of India, which colored non-chlorinated plastic bags should be used for the collection of human anatomical waste? So the correct answer is option number 1, yellow. Next, question number 52. Consider the following statements, and based on these statements given, which of the above statements are correct? So the correct answer is option number 3, C only. Next, question number 53. In the context of gas control using pegged towers, consider the statements. Which of the above statements are correct? So the correct answer is option number 3. Statement A and C are correct. Next, question number 54. Consider the following characteristics of plant species. Which of the above characterize the early successional plant communities? So the correct answer is option number 4, A and D only. Next, question number 55. Above the Earth's surface, 90% of the total atmospheric mass is confined within first. So the correct answer is option number 3, 20 km. Next, question number 56. Artesian well is. The correct answer is option number 3, water underneath the surface having sufficient hydraulic pressure. Next, question number 57. Which group of microorganisms dominate in glacial ecosystems? So the correct answer is option number 1. Next, question number 58. Identify the correct sequence of process involved in chemical weathering of rocks. So none of the option is correct. Next, question number 59. Section 3B of the Forest Conservation Act 1980 deals with the. Correct answer is option number 2, cases in which offences are made by authorities. Next, question number 60 was based on match the column. So the correct answer is option number 2. Next, question number 61. Identify the incorrect statement about organophosphate pesticides from the following statements. So the correct answer is option number 4. They decompose and metabolize slowly. Next, question number 62. Strike slip faults are examples of plate movement which is. So the correct answer is option number 2, parallel to the strike of the fault plane. Next, question number 63. Consider the following statements about the Lotka-Volterra model. So the correct answer is option number 1, A and B only. Next, question number 64. The landscape used by wild animals for their movement between forest patches is called. So the correct answer is option number 1, wildlife corridor. Next, question number 65. Assertion A is aluminum chloride is a good coagulant for treatment of raw water. Reason R. Both the colloidal particles and aluminum ions are positively charged. So the correct answer is option number 3. Only A is correct, R is false. Next, question number 66. Which one among the following is the correct order of the steps taken during the process of environmental impact assessment? So the correct answer is option number 3. Next, question number 67. Consider the following changes with regard to dissolution of ammonia in water. The solubility of ammonia would increase by which of the above changes? So the correct answer is option number 3, B and C only. Next, question number 68. Consider the following gases. Those gases removed from the atmosphere by the process of oxidation are. So the correct answer is option number 2, A, B and C only. Next, question number 69. When a stable layer exists below the stack height and an unstable layer above, which of the following types of plume behavior is expected to be observed? So the correct answer is option number 4, lofting. Next, question number 70. Which of the following statements is not correct with regard to chemical analysis by flame photometer? So the correct answer is option number 4. When iron returns from excited state to ground state, it absorbs the radiation of a characteristic frequency. Next, question number 71. Beaufort scale is used to classify which of the following meteorological parameters? So the correct answer is option number 4, wind velocity. Next, question number 72. How many years will it take for the population of a country to double if it grows at the rate of 4% per year? So the correct answer is option number 1, 17.3 years. Next, question number 73. Which of the following particulate control device has the poorest removal efficiency for particles in the sub-micron size range? So the correct answer is option number 3, cyclone. Next, question number 74. Which of the following measures of skewness is based on the distance of upper and lower quartiles from the median value in a data set. So the correct answer is option number 3, Boley's coefficient of skewness. Next, question number 75. Which one of the following is not a constituent of photochemical smog? So the correct answer is option number 3, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Next, question number 76. Phytoremediation is an important tool for. The correct answer is option number 4, removing toxic chemicals from polluted ecosystem. Next, question number 77. Restoration of Doon Valley is an example of best practices of restoration of degraded ecosystem caused by. So the correct answer is option number 3, limestone quarrying. Next, question number 78. Consider the following statements regarding chi-square test. Which of the above statements are correct? So the correct answer is option number 4. A, B, C statements are correct. Next, question number 79. 50 mm of rainfall was recorded during 30 minutes of rain in an area of 2.5 hectare. The total volume of water that fell on the area during the rain would be. So the correct answer is option number 2, 1250 meter cube. Next, question number 80. Which among the following radioactive species have a half-life of more than 10 years? Choose the correct option from those given below. So the correct answer is option number 2, B and C only. Next, question number 81. Gender is an example of which of the following types of variables? So the correct answer is option number 1, nominal. Next, question number 82. Which of the following RF values is not possible? So the correct answer is option number 4, 2.0. Next, question number 83. La Nina is a Spanish word meaning. So the correct answer is option number 2, the little girl. Next, question number 84. Two streams A and B are flowing with flow rates of 20 meter cube per second and 5 meter cube per second respectively. The concentration of a pollutant X in the two streams are 15 mg per liter in stream A and 50 mg per liter in stream B. The two streams join each other. Assume that complete mixing of the streams occurs after joining and the pollutant is a conservative substance. The downstream concentration of the pollutant after the joining of two streams would be. So the correct answer is option number 4, 22 mg per liter. Next, question number 85. Influx of high nutrient load of nitrates and phosphates into an aquatic ecosystem contributes towards. So the correct answer is option number 4, eutrophication. Next, question number 86. Who was the woman activist who initiated the Chipko movement in Reni village of Chamoli district in 1973? So the correct answer is option number 2, Shrimati Gaura Devi. Next, question number 87. As per the Coastal Regulation Zone (CRZ) notification 1991, CRZ 1 includes which of the following? Choose the correct answer from the options given below. So the correct answer is option A and C only. Next, question number 88. Suppose a remote sensor records brightness levels in terms of digital numbers ranging from 0 to 255. The histogram of a scene recorded by the remote sensor shows the brightness value ranging from 60 to 158. A researcher wants to apply linear contrast stretch to all the pixels in the scene. If dn dash represents the transformed brightness level of a pixel and dn represents its recorded brightness level, which of the following expressions would be the most appropriate? So the correct answer is option number 4. Next, question number 89. The Article 48A of the Indian Constitution, Directive Principles of State Policy for Environmental Protection, was introduced in 1976 after the. So the correct answer is option 1, 42nd Amendment. Next, question number 90. Match the following parameters characterizing humidity of the atmosphere with their definitions. So the correct answer is option number 4. Next, question number 91 to question number 100 are based on a comprehension given in the examination. So the question number 91 is, which of the following is expected during the warmer periods? So based on the comprehension given, the correct answer is option number 3. Next, question number 92. Consider the following statements regarding the ratio given. Which of the above statements are correct? So the correct answer is option number 2, B only. Next, question number 93. Assertion A is given as, seafloor sediments are useful recorders of worldwide climate change. Reason R is given as, organisms living near the surface of deep sea are sensitive to variations in water temperature. In the light of above two statements, choose the correct option. So the correct answer is option number 1. Next, question number 94. Consider the following statements. A. Water molecules with O16 evaporates more rapidly from the oceans. B. Water molecules with O18 are found in greater concentration in glacial ice than in oceans. Which of the above statements are correct? So the correct answer is option number 1, A only. Next, question number 95. Consider the following statements. Choose the correct option from those given below. So the correct answer is option number 4. All the statements A, B and C are correct. Next, question number 96. Which one of the following statement is not correct? So the correct answer is option number 2. UV radiation only destroys ozone. This statement is not correct. Next, question number 97. Which of the following UV radiation combinations occurs most on Earth's surface in comparison to others? So the correct answer is option number 1, UVA and UVB. Next, question number 98. The lowest contribution to solar constant at top of the atmosphere from electromagnetic radiation is in? So the correct answer is option number 4, UVC region. Next, question number 99. The solar radiation flux, irrespective of wavelength bands, is same from Earth's surface up to? So the correct answer is option number 3, 20 km. Next and final question, question number 100. Ozone's absorption of UV radiation in stratosphere is maximum at? So the correct answer is option number 2, 250 nanometer.